Good morning, dear students. I think all revision completed, and again I will start revision, and I will take revision from chapter 1. And name of the chapter 1 is the different types of plants. Name of the chapter 1 is the different types of plants. Plants vary in size, and some are very big, while others are small. Some plants grow up to a nominal height, and many coil around the support while they grow, and other creeps along the ground or grow stay with some support. And let us study about the trees. Trees are plants that are tall. Trees are plants that are tall and big. They live for many years. They live for many years. A tree has one hard woody stems, and which looks like a pillar. Which looks like a pillar called the trunk. Most trees have thick woody branches. Neem, banyan, and mango are examples of tall and big trees. We know that plants categorized into three, that is the herbs, shrubs, and trees. So first I will discuss about the trees. And trees are the tall plants. We know that trees are the tall plants and big, and they live for many years. They live for many years, and a tree has a hard woody stem which looks like a pillar. That is called the trunk. And most trees have thick woody branches. Example, neem, banyan, and mango. And some trees do not have very thick stems, and they grow to comparatively small heights. Apple, orange, guava, pear, example of such trees. And some trees, however, have no branches. And a coconut tree is an example of branchless tree. Coconut tree is an example of branchless tree. And shrubs. Now come to the shrubs. What is shrubs? Shrubs are medium sized plants, and they have thin branches, and the branches start from the base of the stems. And shrubs has a shortened span of life in comparison to the trees. And hibiscus, example hibiscus, China rose, lemon, jasmine, bougainvillea, and cotton are some examples of shrubs. And herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft stems, and their thin stems are full of leaves around them. And herbs live a very short period of time, and they may live 1 or 2 seasons only. And most seasonal flowers and vegetables are herbs. Some common examples are mint, coriander, etc. And grasses and water plants are also herbs. Wheat and rice are example of some grasses. Lotus and water lily are examples of some water plants. Creeper. Creeper are plants that have weak stems, and these stems cannot hold themselves erect, and they grow creeping along the ground. Melons, watermelons, pumpkins, gourd, and cucumbers are some examples of creepers. Climbers are weak stem plants. They grow straight with some support, and they may climb up erect or twine around the support. Grapevine, pea, money plant, and bean are some common climbers. Climbers are weak stem plants. They grow straight with some support, and they may climb up erect or twine around the support. And grapevine, pea, money plant, and bean are some common climbers. We see in everyday means some plants like that, those who grow up straight with some support. Without support they cannot grow, and they may climb up erect or twine around the support. Example, grapevine, pea, money plant, and bean are some common climbers. And green plants make their own food. We know that by the process of photosynthesis, green plants make their own food, and green plants make their own food in their leaves. And why leaves are green in color? Leaves are green in color due to chlorophyll, and leaves need sunlight, air, and water to make food. Green plants make their own food in their leaves. and leaves need sunlight, air and water to make food. And we have learned in this chapter there are different types of plants, that is the herbs, shrubs and trees. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Very big plants are called trees, medium sized bushy plants are called shrubs, very small plants are called herbs. Plants that need support to grow erect are called the climbers. More to know, the banana plant is not a tree, it is a herb as it has a soft green stem and it is the tallest herb. Cactus is a desert plant. Now come to the fill in the blanks different types of plants. A tree has thick pillar like stem called the trunk. A tree has thick pillar like a stem called the trunk, and a coconut tree has no branch. And shrubs are medium sized bushy plants, and herbs are a small plant with soft stems. And climbers need some support to grow straight. Climber needs some support to grow straight. And tick the correct word. The banyan is a tree. The coconut tree, neem tree has branches. The neem tree has branches. The grass is very small plant. The watermelon plant is a creeper. And green plants make their food in their leaves. Name the type of the plant. Gourd, creeper, lotus, herb, banyan tree, hibiscus, shrubs, money plant, climbers, guava tree. Now come to the answer the following. Which type of plants live for many years? Which type of plants live for many years? Trees live for many years. Trees is the plant that live for many years. And how long do herbs live? How long do herbs live? Herbs are a small plant with soft stems, and herbs live for a short period of time. Herbs live for a short period of time. And which type of plants have branches that start from the base of the stem? Shrubs. Shrubs is the plant that branches start from the base of the stem. What are pillar-like woody stems of trees called? That is the trunk. What are pillar-like woody stems of trees called? That is the trunk. Why do climbers need some support? Why do climbers need some support? Climbers need some support because climbers are weak stemmed plant and they grow straight with some support, because that stems are very weak, that's why they need some support. This is the in chapter 1 given fill in the blanks. Tick the correct word, name the type of plant and answer the following. So you have first you will read this chapter, and after that you will take your rough copy, and first you will learn all the things, then you have to write in rough copy. Like fill in the blanks, first you will write all fill in the blanks and except answer, then you will learn, and what is the space is there, you have to write answer. And in second one, tick the correct word. First you have to write what is given in the book, then you have to mark what is the correct answer, you have to mark. And name the type of plant, first you have to write in rough copy, name the type of plant, and then you have to write gourd, lotus, banyan and hibiscus, money plant, guava, then you have to write answer. And in answer the following, you have to write one question, like which type of plants live for many years, you have to write, and then you have to write the answers. Then you have to write the answers. And first you will write all the questions, 5 questions are there, and first you will write one question, then you will leave some space, 2, 3, 4 lines like that, then you will write answer. Then in second you have to do the same, you will write question, then you have to write the answer. And in third one also you have to do same, first you will write question, then you have to write answer. And then in fourth one also, first you will write question and then you have to write answer, and you have to do the same. And learn and write in the rough copy. So like this you will learn, and like this you can study and you can take a revision.